Welcome to part 4 of 5 of DaSy's Looker Studio video tutorial series. In this video, we will describe the purpose of Looker Studio's report controls, and we'll also highlight the uses for common helpful controls. We are going to also demonstrate how to add controls to an existing Looker Studio report. Controls are essentially filters. In general, report controls allow Looker Studio viewers and editors to apply criteria and cross-filter information. The controls menu is divided into 2 sections. The controls in the first section can be used to filter data or to set parameter values. The controls in the second section perform specialized functions and can't be used to set parameter values. For the purposes of this video, we're going to focus on 3 types of controls that would be useful when creating IDEA Part C and Part B 619 public reports: drop-down lists, input boxes, and date range controls. Drop-down list controls show a list of options from which you can select. The list can come from the values in a dimension or from a list of acceptable values defined for a parameter. Most of the data options only apply to controls as filters. To configure parameter data options, you have to edit the parameter in the data source itself. Input box controls let viewers enter a value. In this way, it's used as a filter, allowing the viewer to configure how the control matches his or her input against the dimension value. When used as input to a data parameter, the input box can accept any value, values from a list, a range, but that control is only for report editors. The date range control lets you select the dates you want to see in the report. When you first add a date range control to your report, it uses the default date range provided by the data source. In turn, depends on the connector used by that data source. You can override the default by changing the control's default date range setting. A date range control governs all the charts on the page, but you can limit the scope of the date range control by doing one of the following. You can set a date range property for an individual chart, or you can group a date range control with a chart, limiting the date range control to just that chart. So I'm going to stop sharing here for a moment, jump back into Looker Studio, back into that help desk report that I've been working on, and add some controls to it. Okay, so I'm going to get back into my Looker Studio here. And so I'm back in my help desk ticket report. And I changed a couple of things about my data source. If you remember, I changed agency to program. So I'm going to change a couple of things here. And again, it's just really easy, this word processing type functions with text boxes and things. I'm going to add another page to my report too. So it's very easy to create multi-page reports. I can just add a page. And then I'm going to get a menu here, and I'm going to edit the name of these pages so I know what's on each. This second page that I'm going to create here, I'm going to do a different type of visualization, and I'm going to look at requests by issue. So what was the nature of the requests that came in to the help desk? Here, I'm going to add a pie chart for that. So I go to add a chart, and I'm going to select bar, or excuse me, pie. I'm going to select pie. And just like I did with my bar chart, I just drag and drop where I want it. I can change the size on the page, okay? This is showing me program though, so as with my bar chart. So I want to change that now. I want to see issue, so I have to change my dimension to issue. So now I'm seeing the requests by the nature of the issue. So these are all the different types of issues that that requests are related to. As with my bar chart, I think I want to add a scorecard, so a total. So I'm going to add a chart, and I'm going to go to scorecard. I'm going to drag and put it down here. So I can do all of the same stylistic things with these new charts that I've added. So I can change backgrounds, things like that, just like I did with my bar chart. But for this video, I'm going to focus on adding some controls. So I'm not going to do that right now. So I'm going to go back to setup here. For this bar chart or for this pie chart, I want to add a date range control because maybe my viewers want to see the request by issue for a certain date range. So add a control, date range control, and you just drag and drop it, and you'll get your control box. You can change the size. And to demonstrate how to enter a date, I'll show you. You get calendars that you can then pick a start date and end date. So I'm going to pick, maybe I just want to see the second half of last year. So like July 1 to December. And I hit apply. And then the chart is going to change. It's only going to show me the help desk requests by issue for that date range. And similarly to the bar, when I click on a particular value, if I just want to see this part of the pie chart, it's going to show me the record count for just that part of the bar chart. And that's for, this one is for the requests for screenshot issues. So there were 186 help desk tickets recorded related to that request, again, within that time frame that I picked. Okay. So I want to add another control here. I want to add, I can just click back anywhere really, and you can get back to the normal full bar chart or pie chart. I want to add an input box. And again, the input box is a type of filter where the user can enter a value. And in this case, I'm going to contain anything for a particular word or words that I put in. I want it to contain anything with the word service. So I want to see the tickets with any service in the issue name. So here it changes. I'm seeing tickets for service delivery, error services down. So 278 of those tickets. And I can continue to filter more if I want using this input box. When I clear it out, just delete the value and go back, the pie chart goes back to its full view. I want to add a control to my first chart, back at my bar chart here. And I'm going to here add a drop-down list. So I want to filter and pick certain types of data that I want to see in my chart. And maybe I just want to see three programs. There are 3 programs I'm working with, and I'm just going to select or unselect until I get only the programs that I want to see in my chart now. Oh, and I only picked 2, but that's okay. So you can change it at any time. Anytime you go back and reselect or unselect, it changes your view of the data. So there are 646 records for these 3 programs that I put. And using my control, my drop-down requests, my drop-down list control. So very easy to add these types of controls, these filter controls to your reports. When you are ready to share your report, you probably want to preview it first. So you would change to view mode, and you can just take a look at how it looks. Okay, I noticed that something didn't save there, so I can go back to edit at any time. Okay, so I can add my page title. So you can always go back and forth between edit and view. When you are finally ready, you can share in multiple ways. You can invite people individually by email. You can schedule an email delivery. You can get a report link. You can embed the report. It'll give you the code for website embedding, or you can download it. So I might just want to get a report link now. And now I have a link that I can share to this report with external users, with anyone that I want to share this information with. So just a quick demonstration there of adding some helpful controls to a report and finalizing your report for publication. In the next video, we are going to see Arizona Part C staff demonstrate for us how they manage their dashboard of reports. They have a public dashboard with multiple reports in it. So please be sure to stay tuned for that. Thank you.